Hello and happy Saturday to you. I'm here at the job site down in Indio and I wanted to take a look to see, because the guys aren't here, and make sure that they did what I asked. And so far I've walked to the house and they have, and it looks fantastic. What I'm really thrilled about is the pediment on the front of the house, because I completely changed the entire elevation of the front of the home so it doesn't look like anything else in the neighborhood. And wow, what a dramatic change that it's done. Look at what they've done here. It looks fantastic. So now when you walk up, we have a nice front pediment to the front of the home. I've got the two vertical windows, which are single hung windows. I don't like to do like a standard sliding window because you see that on every tract home, and a double hung or a single hung window like you see here is more of an original look to the homes that they used to do hundreds of years ago, and I wanted to give it more of a traditional transitional look to the home, since that's what I'm kind of doing with this home, but giving it still a contemporary look. As you can see, they also put in the new front door, which is in line with the transom that I did above the front door with the rain glass in it. Now let's go inside and see what they've done. As you can see, this is a rain glass. You can't see through it, which is nice, but you still get the natural light coming through. And then I did the rain glass up here as well. Now what I'm going to have them do, so it doesn't look like two separate windows, is instead of making it look like two separate units, I'm going to have them put the polyfoam on it and then stucco over the top of that, and it's going to be look like it's all one complete unit. So when you're standing from the back looking through, it will look like one tall front door in one complete unit. That's a way you can be able to get by with spending a little bit of money, but it looks like you spent a lot of money on one complete unit, but they're two completely separate units. Now let's go inside. Now if you notice, the front door opens the correct direction. Before it opened into the living space, now it's a left hung door which opens against the wall, and now as you can see here, it opens away from the living space into the actual open room. So now you don't have a door swinging into the dining room table, which now this is going to be the dining room, which used to be the very small living space. So now, as you can see, we have the sliding glass door here, we've got the kitchen back over here, and then the family room area, which always remained the family room area, but they had them broken up into four living spaces, being the formal living room, formal dining room, kitchen, and then the family room. So by just removing those walls, we were able to open up the complete space and give it a full living concept in one room. Now with the sliding glass door here, you're able to look right out into the backyard from the living room and be able to see the beautiful mountains and then the swimming pool once we get this all landscaped. With this beautiful new corner window concept and filling in these two windows here, we are able to now look over the swimming pool and still see the beautiful mountains in the background there. So here we have the open concept of the family room, and I opened up this space as we talked about earlier with the hallway, so now it has so much more light. It looked like a dark cave. You couldn't even see any light at the end of the hallway, which is really nice. Now let me show you this front door. As we shut this door, now look at this. It's absolutely amazing what it has done to this living room. As you can see that there, it gives it so much more of a taller presence to this entry foyer, where it actually has an entry now. So as we go down here, let me show you what I did with the old front door. Nothing else has changed in the other rooms. Oh, we did get the electrical done in the bathroom here. So we did put the J boxes in on either side of the window here and get this window framed in and the plumbing done. Bathroom shower is still the same. We have got the garage ready to go for painting on Monday. So they're going to get that all done. But you know how I had explained that I like to repurpose, recycle. This was the front door that was in the entry. So we had this completely removed, and I put it in here now. So we opened up this space, took the old door out that they used an interior door for the exterior, which you're not supposed to do. It's not to code, and they also disintegrate, and we put it here. So now it has a nice transom in the door, and it brings some extra light into the garage, which is great. But when the new garage door goes in on Tuesday, we will have 4 lights at the very top of the garage door, which will bring more light into this space. But this is completely going to be painted out, which will really brighten this up. So anyway, let me lock this up. That's what has been going on the past few days. So we have a lot more exciting things happening next week. We have the drywall being finished up. We also have the bedroom doors being installed. The painting's going to be going in. This is going to be all insulated and drywalled as well. The garage door is going in on Tuesday, and then they're going to be starting the stucco. So we've got a lot of things coming into play next week. Oh, and the cabinets are being delivered on Thursday. So I will keep you all up to date on everything, so stay tuned for more. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.